and welcome to another edition of New in Nectar. We're excited to share with you the newest updates in version 5.0, here to boost learner motivation and guide their learning journey. Let's get started! One of our newest features is the interactive whiteboard, a space for real-time collaboration. Learners can create whiteboards, invite others, and brainstorm together, perfect for group work, polls, or icebreaker sessions. A new helper has been added to the Learner's View. If learners want more information or need help reviewing course material, the AI-powered Learning Buddy is here to help. The Learning Buddy provides answers tailored directly to their individual LMS experience. Learners now have additional opportunities to show their interest in a seminar. The pre-registration feature allows learners to sign up for meetings that are still in planning. Notification feature informs learners each time a new meeting is added to a seminar. Thanks to the new instructor dashboard, we have also improved seminar management for instructors. Here, instructors can see all their appointments together in one calendar and can also enter personal appointments to ease organization-wide scheduling. Do you want to support your learner's journey using visual elements? With graphic learning paths in Nectar LMS, you can use images or graphics to organize learning units. Design linear or branching paths, mix and match learning types, or let your learners follow their interests. The possibilities are endless. A powerful new addition to the user profile is skill management. Skills and skill-based job profiles help round out each team member's profile and make development skills measurable. Skills can be linked to specific learning units, restricting access until prerequisite skills are achieved, or confirming completion of certain learning targets. With this update, we've added two powerful new user roles, the staff representative and comment reviewer. Staff representatives can now be part of the approval process, giving your team more control and oversight. Meanwhile, comment reviewers, working hand in hand with AI, ensure that inappropriate content is blocked before it's ever published, keeping your platform safe and professional. With these updates, managing content and approvals has never been easier. That's it for the new features for learners. Interested in more updates for administrators? Head over to our video, Nectar 5.0 for administrators. Until next time.